Countess, no? Let me read to you his music attainment para ma-inspire po ta. He is an Asia CCM singer, artist in South Korea, and has a concert tour in the US and Hawaii in the year 2010 to 2016. He is the first placer in the Tuna Festival Gensan Idol in the year 2022 and part of the top 15 winners of the Brigada Music Challenge nationwide by Power Cells in the year 2024. The Singing Idol champion of Barangay Mabuhay last year. He is a YouTuber International Online Singing Festival champion in the year 2025. He is a monetized YouTuber and at the same time owner of Chillax Convenience Store. Truly a proud of Habitat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. Jerwin Abdon, also known as J Queen. A round of applause, please.
So, mayong gabi, Habitat! Welcome to 36th Foundation Anniversary! Punta, nalipay mo karong gabi, no? Punta, excited po mo. No? Welcome to my first set. Ang magpalampak na ay libre siomay! Okay, sa dili na natin dugay-dugayo, no? Namatay ako ang music. So, dili na natin dugay-dugayon kay magbantay pa kong baligya, no? Pero anyway, thank you kayo. Mayang gabi sa tanan.
When I heard the news today, I had to call and get it straight from you. They said you were leaving, so I swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it, tell me about the plan you make it. Oh, tell me you want to go before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long. How am I supposed to carry on when all that I believe in for is gone? I'm too proud to cry, didn't come to break down. Just a dream of mine is coming to an end. How can I blame you when I build my world around? Hope that one day will be so much more than fame. I do want to know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh. Now it's more than I can take. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long. when all that I've been living for is How am I supposed to carry on when all that I'm living for is
Thank you, Habitat! May gabi sa kanan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jerwin Abdul. Truly world class, truly proud of, a pride of Habitat. No, so, dili ta ma-surprise. Someday, makita nato siya sa TV, no? Sa mga dagkong na competition, bringing the honor of the Habitat community. Thank you, sir.